Hi guys. So I had this particular system on my Jeep Compass. I have the Jeep Compass Sport variant, and they give you a 5.5-inch Uconnect infotainment system, and I'm sure a lot of you have wanted to upgrade it. I did a lot of research and zeroed in on the Woodman system. The system that I fixed on my car, as you can see now, is the 10.1-inch 4GB 64GB variant from Woodman. A lot of pros with this system. So this is the system. It is 10.1-inch in size. They provide the fascia as well, along with the screen and all the internal connections and the CAN bus. The system is a plug-and-play model, so in no way does this impact your warranty in any way, because you're not cutting or removing any of the wires. I have customized this system to the way I want to use it and the way I want it to look. Now, in terms of functionality, it has everything that you can ask for. It has Disney Plus Hotstar, it has Prime Video, it has radio, it has YouTube as well. You can install Netflix also if you want it. You can see I can just click on any particular video and you can see that.
Looks like art.
Wait, what? Oh, it's another.
Yeah, that's a TV.
The video clarity is great, and you can control it from the touchscreen as well as from your steering wheel with the steering buttons, which I will take you through in a bit. Coming out of YouTube, you have other video apps also that you can browse. You can access Prime Video as well, as you can see, and along with that you can access other streaming apps as well. Now, moving to music, you have multiple options that you can choose from. This is pretty much like an Android tablet in your car, but the best part is that it is completely integrated with the inherent systems in your car. So I'm sure you guys use a lot of the hard buttons which are there on the steering wheel to control everything. The great part is that all of these hard buttons work. This is the volume up and the volume down button. The mute button also works. You can unmute it as well. There is the button on this side which helps you choose between different menu options, and you can go back and forth as well between songs. I'll just show you. For example, you can go to when you open Amazon Music and you want to switch between songs. Yeah, like for example, I'm playing this song. Yeah, I can shift to the next song using the buttons. So this basically means that all of your steering controls are completely in tune with whatever has been set up, and that is purely because of the CAN bus. Now, in terms of things that you can see on the screen, when you increase and decrease the AC, you can see that it shows on the screen. It increases and it decreases. The same thing is with respect to the different modes in the AC. They are activated here, so it's fully integrated. You cannot control the AC from the touchscreen. You'll have to control it with the native buttons that are given in the car. But other than that, it completely gives you the output of whatever you're doing with respect to the AC. That is the next part. This comes integrated with a 4G SIM slot. So what I have done is I have installed the 4G SIM slot, and that makes my accessing very easy. So the next part is navigation. You can see that the navigation is extremely good, and it is just like Google navigation, right? That is the next thing. The other good part about this is that the quality of your music becomes 10 times better than what the stock speakers can give out. Although I have not changed my speakers, but purely because of this equalizer, which has multiple modes where you can enhance the bass, change the field, install a bass filter. All of these things can be done purely with this system because it has a digital signal processor. I have taken the DSP with the 16 EQ. There is an option for a 32 EQ as well, which gives you many more controls that you can use to modify the music. You can see that the language and everything is in English, and whatever is your heads-up display does not get impacted by this. Everything shows the way it normally should show. You also have your phone application, and you can connect to Bluetooth, and then you can take calls over the mic. I have installed the mic over here, as you can see. The advice that I would give is to install the mic that is given along with the system and not use the traditional mic which is over here, right? This mic doesn't work that well, but this mic really does the job. The next thing is the reverse camera. So I installed the reverse camera that has been given to me by Woodman itself, and you can see here that the reverse camera is perfectly well, and as I turn the steering wheel, it gives me the guidelines as well that keep turning along with it. Yeah, so that is one good thing. This comes free of cost as well, so that is a great addition for your car. It also shows you the range at the back. Last but not the least, I think the reliability of the system is exceptionally good. You know, I have had no qualms with the system. The other way to connect to this system is also through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And as you can see, I have connected my phone over here. Yeah, so I'll just show you how that is done. You go into your apps, you go into the phone apps, you go into the car link, and you just connect it. So you can see that Android Auto is working perfectly fine, and you can choose from Android Auto 10. My system has the Android 10 software on it, so the latest version of Android Auto also works on it. There is another option of using wireless Apple CarPlay. While I have connected my phone, and hence this is a wired connection, you can also download an app which allows you to have wireless Android Auto. Yeah, so that was my you know, experience that I've had with this system for the past 6 months from Woodman. This is not a sponsored video. I just made this video because I felt like you know, when you're purchasing a 20 lakh car, you expect to have a good system in the vehicle. However, for some of the variants, you do not really get a great system, and I think this system is possibly the best thing that I've added to my car, and I'm really happy with this purchase. It is extremely reliable. The other thing that I want to say is that the after sales support of the Woodman team is exceptionally good, and they make sure that if there are any small minor problems that you might be facing, those also get sorted out. Just a final look at my system now. I've customized it into a day and a night mode, so you can see it's a little dark now because I've kept it in a dark mode for the daytime, for the nighttime. But yeah, this is my review, and I would definitely recommend this product to you guys if you really want to upgrade your infotainment system. Thank you.